Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your headphones JBL Quantum 360X. You have to start by opening your browser and write JBL Quantum Engine. Now click enter and open the second link. Now scroll down and you can install it for the Windows or Mac. So I will install it for Windows because I have a Windows, but you can also make it for the Mac. Click on it and now click on this file. I have read. Create a desktop shortcut, I recommended it, but auto start it's up to you. I unmark it, I don't need it. Also, you can choose a path right here, but I leave it also. And if you want to change it, by just click on this folder icon here and choose the best one for you. Let's say download and click on select folder. Now click install. Now I recommended to click reboot now, but I'm going with reboot later to not finish the video earlier. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!